Hi friends, and welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Many of us experiment with various home remedies for our skincare routines. While some may seem harmless, not all are backed by evidence. One common mistake people make is using body lotion on their faces. However, what works for the body may not be suitable for the delicate facial skin. Here are some things that you should avoid applying to your face. Number 1. Body lotion. Body lotions are thicker and often contain fragrances that can irritate facial skin. Instead, opt for gentler products specifically designed for the face. Number 2. Vinegar. Although vinegar can be used as a toner, it's better to use toners formulated with vinegar rather than raw vinegar, which can be harsh and may cause skin burns. Number 3. Alcohol-based products. Skincare products containing high levels of alcohol can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Choose alcohol-free options for healthier skin. Number 4. Mineral oil. Mineral oil can clog pores and contribute to skin issues. Look for skincare products with natural oils like jojoba or argan oil instead. Number 6. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly can clog pores and lead to breakouts and skin problems. Avoid products containing petroleum jelly for better skin health. Number 6. Toothpaste. Applying toothpaste on pimples can lead to skin discoloration and irritation due to its ingredients like mint. Number 7. Lemon juice. While lemon juice is known for brightening skin, always dilute it with water before applying to avoid skin irritation. Number 8. Baking soda. Baking soda's alkaline nature can disrupt the skin's pH balance, leading to breakouts and skin damage. Number 9. Hot water. Direct application of hot water on the face can strip away moisture and damage the skin barrier. Use lukewarm water for facial care. Number 10. Bar soap. Bar soaps can strip natural oils from the skin, leading to dryness and irritation. Opt for gentle facial cleansers instead. By avoiding these skincare mistakes and choosing products suitable for your skin type, you can maintain healthier and clearer skin. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you would like to see in future videos. Until next time, take care. Shubham Bhavatu.